All right, 28th October.
T. Looking for a pop over here.
Age, I got Age and I got MGEN. These are two stocks I'm looking at. This is going to be very
Tesla
fast.
bouncing over here.
So,
not looking right now Tesla anymore. GM, main watch.
I would like to get in maybe this zone here, maybe 130. Maybe you add into this 134, and I'm going to cut it over. Okay, that's my levels. Age is popping.
Bang.
Let's go. It's going to ring. I'm going to go see if we've got locates for MGEN.
You can see bounce from that 350, very important level on SCKT.
Okay, we got locates, so they're in my price range. They're not over exaggerated like
2 seconds to open.
TV we've been doing for a couple of
Open
days.
now.
Got my fingers on the hotkeys
Big
here.
soak on the ask on MGEN. Possible fade down now, MGEN.
Yeah, I see that. Okay, the dogs.
No FOMO, relax. We have all morning. GM, just dip over here and then pushing. MGEN pushing over here.
Want to view
Want to see
up.
MGEN higher.
Yeah,
But we have a big heat map at 120 over here. And also VWAP projection. So possible fail here all the way down.
Yeah, toss is lagged.
See VWAP projection. This is a gap and grab exactly over here on MGEN. And the fact that you have the book map helps you to define that as your level of interest. CKT falling to the 3-minute J lines.
Yeah, I can't. Toss is down.
Newsletter on SCKT right now. SCKT newsletters.
So reboot toss.
So when I say newsletter, it means somebody is looking for a long. Exactly for that under over 350. Still not the moment because it's still falling strong over here. Boom, they're all underwater. How did you see that? Shonan, they trap their traders for a 15-cent stop.
MGEN.
Some pop over here, MGEN again. I'm waiting still for that 130. So pop above VWAP.
My 38 fib there. And
needs more volume.
Yeah.
2 million over here in the 1 minute chart.
I'm gonna wait. I'm just waiting. I would like really to get into this level here. That level here.
So still waiting. No commentary, thank you, traders.
Okay, I'm going to bring Age is dead. Going to bring back MGEN here. I'm going to put it on a tick chart.
TUP pushing from 26 to 30.
Toss seems to be lagging. I don't know why.
Rejection, second one of MGEN. You see pop over the VWAP and shifted right away below. Exactly over here. And we have big overhead resistance. So we have 1 million over here on the ask total number, even more, 1.5 million.
That's
and we have less than half.
I'm having problems with my toss.
Okay, so big imbalance.
this thing bugs out on me again, I will.
So J lines finally on ZM. Start watching. Tesla fail over under. So then Tesla gave the setup. You can see over under the 1 minute J lines.
You snor det, ja.
So now I'm watching ZM for a curl up 1 minute J lines. Watching for that setup. I'm still not in a trade. Didn't take MGEN over here, or I would show the trade. The volume is red, so waiting for now. Need that 130 or no trade for me. In that case, paying commissions for pre-market and bars for the pre-market. So waiting on ZM. We need an under over, curl up on the J lines. Okay, I've turned top of it here on MGEN traders. For the traders that were doing the 101, you check the MGEN pop to that 124 exactly to that 78% targets. Okay, Dallas luxury. I didn't take it, but that's the pop to that 78% in the first 10 minutes. What I can see from our book map, look, a huge amount of resistance on the ask that we have. Just want to watch over here TUP. Earnings today. Very weak volume over here, WEI traders. That 250 is a very good resistance. Newsletters are in over here, WEI. So I will be waiting that letters are out to short it. But on the 5 minutes, you can see the big resistance at 250. Volumes are still small, 200, 250K. Let's see for a fake breakout over here, traders. Okay, so possible all fader to the downside over here. Short at 46. Remember SSR, okay? I'm risking this big overhead resistance at 63, 64. Possible wash coming over here, WEI traders. Look what a big soak that we had over here. $250 resistance. We want to see this is 220, right?
¿Cuánto es de la voz? ¿La voz? ¿Cuánto es? 13. Está bien.
Right now, risking this high of the day over here, 254. So risking 8 cents risk. So looking for a short WEI over here, big overhead resistance. Reason why we have, if you see my chart, this is the pretty clear second day pattern. So let's put this over here. You can see this level 250. How much volume we traded above, right? So look my levels over there, 250, right? And then we have this big overhead resistance over here. Plus, you can see over here on Bookmap that we have a pretty good overhead imbalance. So when I say imbalance, I mean that you can see over here we have 118K, 120K. Down we have only 30, 40K. So stacked as this as high forecast for sure. In this case, risking 7, 8 cents at the most. Let's see if we can get this short. Risking this high. $250 resistance over here, rejecting.
Bye, babe. Bonne journée.
Always have your stop loss ready. So put always stop loss. Remember, this is SSR. Okay. With this, no. Okay. So it's nice to see over here the price action, looking at the volume, right? This 1 million volume traded on the 5 minutes, comparing to the huge amount of volume over here, even bars of 4 million. You can see how the J-lines was the big guy, right, going all the way up. Then we had big support, resistance support. So this area, 245, 250, 255 is my big catalyst that I'm shorting into. Okay, trader, is it clear, the process? Okay. So trading this on 2 brokers. Over here, 1 broker, the fill over here, looking for that unwind. 244 and 246. Looking for that breakdown. Beautiful. Okay, so this is exactly what we were expecting. So I want to see, you see over here, I want to see the fill down where to the J lines over here, 220, 4. So I'm comfortable not trading, not covering until I have that pattern there, that target. And now I can put my stop break even. So risk 0. Okay, stress-free trade over here now. So have patience, don't have FOMO to get out. Amazing cross. 228, 225. Okay, traders, very, very easy over here. And this is a second day pattern. So I know that a lot of you don't still know to trade this pattern, but when I have basically that big overhead resistance, when I have a topping over here with bookmap, that is incredible. My first cover over here, so I got 20 and 22 cents with 2 brokers. I'm out there also trading a third account, so easy money over here for us. Perfect trade, didn't trade it like front side, only traded it back side. This is what you have to do, okay? Is it clear, Sean, Doc, Taurus? Okay. If we go down to a 1-minute chart, traders, it's also pretty easy. And the same thing for the big caps, so right, using options or what I do in futures. I want that trend break, okay? And then I start looking for a rejection of the area, in this case 250. You can see this bar. Look, the volume over here getting red, and then we want to simply get this all the way down, all right? Beautiful Caleb. So now we have this main support 211. How good would it be to have that rejection, right? So I'm staying with still 2/3 of my position. Always try to have more than one brokerage to have better fills, use more routes. Also for risk management purposes. Beautiful math.
Bonjour.
So we are having a little bit of bounce here. Remember now.
Parfait. Je peux avoir votre numéro de client avec vous. Il est situé en haut de l'adresse. 1838. Puis le montant, vous les réglez? 2,20,72 par Visa ou Mastercard? Visa. Allez-y avec le numéro, je vous écoute. Oui. 88. Parfait. 53, oui. 11,21. Puis le petit code derrière la carte, s'il vous plaît. 628. Excellent, je vais faire ça dans 5-10 minutes. Ben, pas là, parce que je ne suis pas devant mon ordinateur, mais je vais le faire tantôt. Est-ce que j'ai votre courriel en dossier? OK. Email. Ben, je vais juste marquer email reçu, puis si je ne l'ai pas, mais je vais vous appeler. Merci. Bye bye. T'as-tu faim, babe? OK, on va faire qu'on DG.